So here's an early preview, early prototype of Blenderbot, a conversational artificial intelligence prototype from Meta, Facebook. This early prototype needs your help. Have a conversation about anything that interests you and provide feedback to help AI research. So you can learn more about this project on FAQ page. This is a research project by Meta. Is to progress conversational AI research, which means making artificial intelligence based dialogue system better for everyone who uses them. Users should be aware that despite our best attempts to reduce such issues, the bot may be inappropriate, rude, or make untrue or contradictory statements. The bot's comments are not representative of Meta views as a company and should not rely on for factual information, including but not limited to medical, legal, or financial advice. Users must be at least 18 years old. So what's the value of this work? So many people already interact with chatbots via voice assistants and in various customer service situations. So you can see here all the ideas around it, and yeah, so that's basically what that is. And then you can just tap to start chat, and then to get started, and then then you can just start chat.